I'm Jack Rogers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rainbow dash cake. This cake is for my friend Scarlett's 6th birthday and it's going to be layered with funfetti cake layers and topped with all different colors. Let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna place a bit of buttercream and I'm gonna begin to layer all of these cake layers. I leveled these already and this was just 3 8-inch cake layers and I cut them in half and cut all the caramelization off the sides. Crumb coat time. The cake is fully chilled, as you can see. There's nothing. Now I'm gonna do what I usually do. I'm just gonna final cut this, place this in the fridge, and then we'll begin to roll out fondant to cover this cake. I could smooth this out even further, but it's just gonna be covered in fondant and it's good enough for me, and I'm on a time crunch. So I'm just gonna place this in the fridge and we'll roll out the fondant. I forgot to record this part as well as the part of the future video, but what I was supposed to say is now I'm going to be making the little eye features, and it's just gonna have the eyes, face features. It's gonna have eyes and a mouth, that's pretty much it, and big ears that I added on later because I actually didn't like the cake at first, but that's a story for another time. So all I did was I just added these eyes and cut out a bunch of different colors of fondant and did all that stuff and watched the video. I just realized I did not speak at all for this part. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to roll coils of different colored fondant, and then I'm gonna taper them so one end is thinner and one end is thicker, and then I'm just gonna add a bunch of different ones ever so slightly. I didn't get to record it, but thank you so much for watching this My Little Pony video. Right now, I just finished making the cake for next weekend. If you can get a hint of anything in that, you probably can't get a hint, but it's gonna have some roses. Looks pretty cool. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next Sunday.